Right, Jake, Lee Hogan here, VIP Boxing.
Yeah, alright.
Fighting on the 20th at Reebok, mate.
Yeah, looking forward to it, can't wait.
Making your debut.
Yeah.
Super featherweight.
Yeah.
Four threes.
4 threes, yeah.
But we don't know who yet.
Not too sure yet.
You don't care either, do you, mate?
Nah, I'm not too bothered.
You've been waiting for this for a long while, haven't you?
Yeah. Been a long time coming. Excited.
Training with Bobby for, what, about last year now?
Yeah, I've been here about a year. Had a few setbacks, ready to go now though, so
yeah.
Excited, yeah.
Yeah, well, I say I've had you on Facebook for a while and I've seen you, you're quite a good amateur.
Yeah.
Northwest champion.
Yeah.
And it sounds a natural step for you, mate.
Yeah, definitely.
I know you don't look it, but you are actually 21, aren't you?
Yeah, baby face.
So, you excited then?
Yeah, can't wait. Just ready to go now. Just wish it was tomorrow.
Going to be a cracking show. Some good names on there. And you know it's heart and soul theme, you know, like the music.
Yeah.
Have you got to pick your coming out song?
Oh, I didn't know we had to do that.
Oh yeah, you got to pick a heart and soul. So that's
look.
what he's making an occasion of it. So you'll have to get into Bobby's record collection and find out what he's got.
Yeah, I love a bit of Motown. Right up my street, that.
Listen, Jake, good luck for the 20th, and hopefully we'll see you with win behind your name, mate.
Cheers, mate. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Nice
Take
one.
care.
Cheers.